I got this Dell laptop to run macOS Catalina, and now it's a Hackintosh. This took quite some time. I think it took the entire day to set up, and not even everything is working. I don't have Wi Fi. I can't boot without the USB. I can't adjust the volume. So this still needs a lot of work, and I need to find the time to fix all of that. But I was able to get to boot into the OS, which was quite an adventure in itself. To do this, I recommend you have two computers. One that has this D'Artagnan's Open Core install guide. So there's two ways where you can install Mac OS. One is the legacy, it's called Clover, and the second one is Open Core, and this is very well documented. So you have this entire just follow the instructions step by step. It gives you all the links to everything that you need to install. It is pretty easy, even if you don't know what you're doing. Like I didn't know what I was doing, and I found it pretty easy. It's just that after installation, it's a bit tricky to get everything like exactly working. So that just read through the guide, and most computers are supported, but it will vary. The installation process will vary per computer. So you're going to need a USB drive. Any size will work. The guide will tell you exactly how to format it, and then you need a computer where you can install it. ThinkPads are very well documented. So if you have a ThinkPad, then it's going to be easier than if you have a Dell laptop like I do. I have found some. So basically, there's this thing called an EFI. The way that this is partitioned, you have an EFI which has all the specific files to make the specific hardware of this work with Mac OS. Some people have already pre-compiled those files for the ThinkPads, for certain models of the ThinkPads like the T480 or the T470, and that makes installing a lot easier compared to this where I had to manually go and get each of the EFI files. And to make it easier, you have the r/Hackintosh community, which is very nice. You can also join their Discord server, and all the guys here are quite helpful as well. There were a few people here that helped me set up my laptop. It's always nice when people get together to help others. I guess the next steps for me, whenever I have time, which is you need to have time for this, a lot of time and patience. So whenever I have time, I think I'm going to get Wi-Fi working and make it like a true laptop. See, I didn't even have a reason to do this because well, I have this, right? We have the Mac here. Um, this is a real working Mac, right? And I just did this for fun. So anyway, I hope you guys also try something like this. It's a fun experiment to do if you're bored of Windows and Linux running on the same old machine. Yeah, that's it. Bye.